your Shopify store may not have a traffic problem. Most Shopify merchants don't realize their store is slow. They think the problem is ads. They think the problem is pricing. They think the problem is their product page copy. But sometimes the visitor is leaving before they even get a proper chance to see the product. And that is the real problem. Because in e-commerce, speed is not just a technical metric. Speed affects trust. Speed affects bounce rate. Speed affects conversions. Speed affects how much money you make from the traffic you are already paying for. So in this video, I'll break down how to improve your Shopify store speed, reduce bounce rate, and create a smoother shopping experience that can directly help you get more sales. And the best part is, most of these fixes are not complicated. You don't need to rebuild your entire store. You just need to clean up the things that are slowing it down. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why Shopify stores become slow in the first place. Most stores don't start slow, they become slow over time. You launch the store, then you add a pop-up app, then you add a reviews app, then you add a bundle app, then a loyalty app, then a quiz app, then a chat widget, then tracking scripts, then a few custom sections, then homepage banners, then autoplay videos, then heavy product images, and individually, all of these things look harmless. But together, they start making your store heavier. And your customer does not care which app or script is causing the delay. They only know one thing: the store feels slow. And when a store feels slow, the customer starts losing trust. So before you add another app or redesign another section, first check what is already slowing your store down. The first step is very simple. Before you fix anything, test your store properly. Don't just open your website on your laptop with fast Wi-Fi and assume everything is fine. That is not how most customers experience your store. Most shoppers are browsing on mobile. Many are on average internet. Some are opening your store from Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, or email. So you need to test your store like a real customer. Start with your Shopify web performance report inside your admin. Then also test your homepage, product page, collection page, and cart page using tools like Google Page Speed Insights. Do not only test the homepage. This is a common mistake. Your homepage may be fine, but your product page could be slow because of reviews, upsell widgets, image galleries, variant scripts, size charts, and tracking pixels. And your product page is where buying decisions happen. Once you test your store, write down the results, take screenshots, save your current scores, note your loading time, check both desktop and mobile. This becomes your baseline. Because without a baseline, you are just guessing. A lot of merchants install a speed app, remove a few images, delete some apps, and then they have no idea what actually helped. That is not the best way to do it. You want to know where you started. Then after every major change, test again. This helps you understand what is actually improving the store and what is not making much difference. Also, test more than one page. Your homepage, best-selling product page, collection page, and cart page should all be tested. If your product page is slow, it can directly hurt conversions. If your cart page is slow, it can increase checkout drop-offs. So don't guess, measure first. Now let's talk about one of the biggest speed killers on Shopify stores: images. A lot of merchants upload beautiful product images, lifestyle shots, banners, and hero images. That is good. Your store needs strong visuals. But the problem is, many stores upload images that are way too large. For example, you don't need to upload a massive 5,000 pixel image if it is only being shown as a small product image on mobile. Large image files can slow down your store very quickly. So before uploading images, compress them. Use JPG or WebP style formats for product and lifestyle images. Use PNG only when you actually need transparency. Also, avoid uploading huge homepage banners just because they look sharp on your desktop. Your mobile customer does not need a giant heavy banner. They need the page to load fast and show the product quickly. A simple rule you can follow is this: your hero section should load fast. Your product images should be clear but not unnecessarily heavy. And anything below the first screen should not slow down the first impression. This is where lazy loading helps. Lazy loading means images lower on the page load only when the visitor scrolls near them. So instead of loading every image at once, your store loads what the customer needs first. Many modern Shopify themes already support this, but if your theme is old or heavily customized, check this properly. Also, pay attention to your homepage banners. Many stores use large slideshow images, but most customers don't wait and watch every slide. A single clear hero section with a strong message often works better than a heavy carousel. So the goal is simple: keep the first screen light, clear, and fast. That first impression matters more than most merchants think. Now, the next big area is your theme. Your theme is the foundation of your store experience, and not all themes are equal. Some themes are clean and lightweight. Some themes look beautiful in demos but are loaded with animations, sliders, scripts, and sections you may never use. A lot of merchants choose a theme because the demo looks premium. But a theme demo is not your real store. Your real store has apps, tracking, reviews, images, product variants, customer data, and checkout journeys. So when choosing a theme, don't just ask, does it look good? Ask better questions. Is it fast on mobile? Is it clean? Does it support the features I actually need? Is it maintained properly? Does it work well with my core apps? Is the product page easy to use? A simple, fast theme will often outperform a fancy theme that slows the customer down. Shopify's Dawn theme is a good example of a performance-first starting point. You don't necessarily need to use Dawn, but the lesson is important. A simple, clean, fast theme will often outperform a fancy theme that is overloaded with effects. And here is something most merchants ignore. If your current theme has been customized multiple times by multiple developers, it may have leftover code, old sections, unused snippets, app code from apps you removed months ago, tracking scripts no one remembers adding. That code may still be loading. So a speed audit is not just about apps, it is also about cleaning your theme. This is especially important for older Shopify stores because after months or years of changes, your theme can carry a lot of unnecessary weight. So before blaming Shopify or your apps, get your theme checked. Sometimes a store does not need a redesign, it just needs cleanup. Now let's talk about apps. Shopify apps are powerful. They help you add reviews, subscriptions, bundles, upsells, loyalty, delivery dates, size charts, back-in-stock alerts, support chat, and so much more. But every app comes with a cost, not just a monthly cost, a speed cost. Some apps load scripts on every page, even if they are only needed on one page. Some apps add heavy widgets. Some apps inject code into your theme. Some apps keep leftover code even after you uninstall them. So here is a practical app audit you can do. Open your app list. For every app, ask 3 questions. Is this app directly helping me increase revenue, reduce support, improve customer experience, or run operations better? Does this app need to load on every page? If I remove this app today, will customers actually notice? These 3 questions will quickly show you which apps deserve to stay. If an app is not actively helping your store, it might be time to remove it. But don't just uninstall apps blindly. Some apps leave code behind. So after removing unused apps, check your theme code or ask a developer to clean the leftover snippets. This is especially important for stores that have been running for years, because many stores are carrying years of old app baggage. You may have installed an app for a Black Friday campaign. You may have tested a pop-up tool. You may have tried a quiz app. You may have used a bundle app and later replaced it. But parts of those apps may still be sitting inside your theme. That means your store can still carry the weight of apps you are not even using. So app cleanup is not just about deleting apps from the dashboard, it is also about removing the code they leave behind. Next, let's talk about tracking scripts. Most merchants have Google Analytics, Metapixel, TikTok Pixel, Pinterest tag, email marketing scripts, heat maps, affiliate scripts, retargeting tools, and maybe a few more. Tracking is important. You need data, but too many scripts can slow things down. And sometimes merchants keep tracking codes for platforms they are not even actively using anymore. So clean this up. Keep the platforms you actively use. Remove old pixels. Remove duplicate scripts. Check whether the same tracking code has been added from the Shopify admin, the theme, Google Tag Manager, and an app. Duplicate tracking is more common than people think, and it hurts both speed and data accuracy. So this is not just a performance issue. It can also make your reports messy. If your data looks strange, duplicate scripts might be one of the reasons. Now let's talk about your homepage. Many merchants try to say everything on the homepage. They add banners, videos, collections, founder stories, testimonials, press mentions, Instagram feeds, product carousels, and multiple pop-ups. But your homepage does not need to carry the entire business. Your homepage needs to help people understand three things: what you sell, why they should care, where they should go next. That's it. A slow homepage with too many sections can hurt the first impression. So simplify the first screen, make the headline clear, show the product or category quickly, keep the navigation clean, avoid autoplay videos on the first screen, avoid massive sliders, avoid too many moving elements. The first job of your homepage is not to impress people with everything you have. The first job is to get them moving in the right direction. Sliders are one of the most overrated homepage elements. Most customers do not sit and watch 5 slides rotate. They want to find the product they came for. They want to understand what the brand sells. They want to know if they can trust the store. And they want to move quickly. A heavy slider may look nice in a meeting or design review, but it can slow down the page and distract the shopper. So instead of a heavy slider, use one strong hero section. Make it clear, make it fast, add one strong message, add one clear call to action, then move the customer toward collections, best sellers, or the product category they came for. Your homepage does not need more movement, it needs more clarity. A clean and fast homepage will often perform better than a homepage filled with banners, animations, and sections nobody scrolls through. Now, product pages. This is where speed matters even more, because the product page has to do a lot. It has images, variants, reviews, size charts, delivery info, bundles, upsells, payment messages, trust badges, recommendations, sometimes subscriptions, sometimes personalization, sometimes custom fields. This page can become very heavy, so keep your product page focused. The first screen should show the product, price, reviews, key benefit, variants, and add to cart. Everything else should support the buying decision, not distract from it. Use collapsible tabs for details, keep reviews visible, but don't let the review widget slow the entire page. Avoid loading too many product recommendation blocks. And test the page on mobile, not once, regularly. Because most Shopify stores look okay on desktop but feel heavy on mobile. And mobile is where a lot of buying intent gets lost. Now let's talk about mobile speed. For many Shopify stores, mobile traffic is the majority, but many stores are still designed like desktop is the main experience. That is a mistake. On mobile, your customer has less patience, the screen is smaller, the internet may be slower, and the buying journey has more friction. So your mobile store needs to be clean. Your header should not take up too much space. Your first product image should load quickly. Your add to cart button should be easy to find. Your pop-ups should not cover the entire screen. Your menu should be simple. Your product page should not feel like a never-ending scroll of widgets. And please test on a real phone, not just inside your desktop browser. Open the store on your phone, use mobile data, click through like a customer. You will quickly spot what feels slow or annoying. Shopify already gives you some speed advantages. You get hosting, you get a global CDN, you get infrastructure that can handle traffic better than most custom-built e-commerce setups. But Shopify cannot save you from every bad decision. If you upload massive images, install too many apps, use a bloated theme, and add multiple tracking scripts, your store can still become slow. So don't think, I'm on Shopify, so speed is handled. Shopify gives you a strong base. You still need to manage what you add on top of it. That means your theme matters, your apps matter, your images matter, your tracking scripts matter, your mobile layout matters. A good platform gives you the foundation, but the final shopping experience still depends on how clean and focused your store is. So use Shopify's strengths, but don't ignore store maintenance. Here is a practical speed cleanup checklist you can use. Test your homepage, product page, collection page, and cart page. Check mobile performance, not just desktop. Compress large images before uploading. Avoid massive hero banners. Remove autoplay videos from the first screen. Audit all installed apps. Remove apps that are not actively helping revenue, support, or operations. Clean leftover app code after uninstalling apps. Remove old tracking scripts and duplicate pixels. Use a lightweight, well-maintained theme. Simplify the homepage. Keep product pages focused. Test your store every month after adding new apps or major design changes. This checklist alone can help most Shopify merchants find obvious performance issues. You don't need to fix everything in one day. Start with the biggest problems first. Images, apps, scripts, and mobile experience usually give you the fastest improvements. The goal is not to make the store perfect, the goal is to remove unnecessary friction. Now let's talk about bounce rate. Speed is a big reason people bounce, but it is not the only reason. A visitor can leave because your store is slow, but they can also leave because the first screen is confusing. They don't understand what you sell. They don't trust the brand. The menu is messy. The product page looks cluttered. Shipping information is hidden. The return policy is unclear, or the website feels unprofessional. So once your store speed improves, also check the buying experience. Above the fold, your store should answer 3 questions quickly. What do you sell? Why should I care? What should I do next? If the customer has to think too much, they leave. Also, build trust early. Show reviews, show delivery information, show return policy, show payment options, show real product images. A fast store gets people to stay. A trustworthy store gets people to buy. Now, one important warning. Don't chase a perfect speed score blindly. Your goal is not to win a technical scorecard. Your goal is to create a faster, smoother shopping experience that helps customers buy. Sometimes a feature may slightly reduce your speed score but improve conversions. For example, a good reviews app can add some load, but it may also improve trust and sales. A bundle app may add some weight, but it may increase average order value. A delivery date app may add a script, but it may reduce customer confusion. So don't remove everything just to get a better score. Be practical, keep what helps the customer, remove what slows them down without adding value. That is the balance. The real goal is not a perfect score. The real goal is a store that loads fast, feels trustworthy, and makes buying easy. That is what actually matters. So here is the simple way to think about it. Every second of delay is friction. Every unnecessary app is friction. Every heavy image is friction. Every confusing section is friction. And in e-commerce, friction costs money. If you are already spending money on ads, content, influencer traffic, SEO, or email marketing, then speed optimization is not optional, because slow pages waste the traffic you already worked hard to get. So before you increase ad spend, check your store speed. Before you blame your product, check your product page. Before you redesign everything, clean up the basics. Your store may not need a complete rebuild. It may just need less weight. Start with one simple task today. Run a speed test on your homepage and your best-selling product page. Then look at your apps, images, theme, and scripts. You'll probably find at least a few things you can clean up immediately. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the SaaS Hub. We talk to Shopify merchants, app founders, and e-commerce operators to help you make better decisions about your store, your tech stack, and the tools you use to grow. I will also drop links to a few helpful apps that will assist you in improving your store speed. See you in the next video.